Introduction. Comparison of two important web development languages, JavaScript and TypeScript. While sharing many traits, there are key differences that can impact your development experience. JavaScript, an overview. JavaScript is a high-level, interpreted, and just-in-time compiled language ideal for web development. One of the three core technologies of the World Wide Web alongside HTML and CSS, JavaScript is dynamic and weakly typed, leading to flexibility but also risk of runtime errors. TypeScript, an overview. TypeScript is a statically compiled language designed for clear and simple JavaScript code. A strict syntactical superset of JavaScript that adds static typing. Being strongly typed, TypeScript reduces the risk of runtime errors. Differences between JavaScript and TypeScript. Key difference is the typing. JavaScript allows changing the type of a variable anytime, while TypeScript enforces static typing. JavaScript introduced classes with ES6, but TypeScript has supported classes from the start. Interfaces are not present in JavaScript, but are introduced in TypeScript to define the structure of an object. Tips and tricks for working with JavaScript and TypeScript. Always declare your variable types in TypeScript to catch errors at compile time. Use classes ES6+ for JavaScript and any version for TypeScript for creating objects. Utilize TypeScript interfaces to ensure your objects have the correct structure. Conclusion: TypeScript offers several advantages for larger projects, or where type safety is a concern. JavaScript remains a powerful and flexible language suitable for smaller projects or rapid prototyping. The choice between JavaScript and TypeScript depends on your specific needs and circumstances.